Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Fialkov, and I'd like to talk to you about how long the recovery period is after rhinoplasty. If you're considering undergoing a rhinoplasty, you probably want to know how long it takes to recover. This is probably one of the most frequently asked questions by patients, and for good reason. It helps to know how long you will be out of commission. It also helps to know which activities you can and can't participate in. Let's go over how long your recovery period will take, and I'll also give you some tips to help you get through the recovery period. Typically, you're healed within about 6 weeks, but it can take more time than that for all the swelling to reduce completely. In fact, some patients experience a small amount of swelling for up to a year after the surgery is performed. It's important to note that once you have the procedure performed, your nose will continue to change for many weeks after the surgery. The biggest concern with recovery time is the swelling. Every patient is different, so it's hard to determine how long it will take for each individual. Each person has different factors that affect healing. Generally, swelling will last for a few months after the surgery. How noticeable the swelling is depends on each individual person. You may wonder when you can go out in public. Most patients are able to go out into the public a week or two after their procedure. It's wise to relax for the first week and just simply rest. Resting will help keep the swelling and bruising to a minimum as well. Typically, you'll need to wear a splint for about a week after the surgery, and once the splint comes off, you're really free to go out in public. Remember though, you'll still be swollen during that time. Can I engage in physical activity after rhinoplasty surgery? Again, everyone heals differently. It's recommended, however, that you minimize your activity for at least 2 weeks after the procedure. After the first 2 weeks, you'll be able to start getting back into the groove of things, but you don't want to pick up physically strenuous activities just yet. Closer to the 6-week period, you can begin to add in physical activities, but always avoid ones where your nose can become damaged, such as contact sports, football, volleyball, etc. Now, here's some tips for recovery. To help improve your recovery time, you should avoid smoking and drinking, as these factors slow down your healing. It helps to keep your head elevated above the level of your heart when you're relaxing, as this will help stop any bleeding and minimize the swelling you experience. If you're thinking about undergoing rhinoplasty, make sure that you know what to expect come recovery time. You should always follow your surgeon's instructions to ensure that you gain the most from your procedure. If you're ready to discuss your options, give us a call here at Edelstein Cosmetic. Thanks.